Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Facebook story quality. To know how to fix Facebook story quality, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings as you see here. And when you will see this page, you will go down to click to find the application of Facebook as you see. And when you will enter this, you will go to click for stop in down. When you will end this, you will enter to storage as you see. And after all that, you can go to click here clear cache in down. Go down to click clear cache, and after that you will go to click clear data. And after all that, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.